I unfortunately made a video and then it did not record and save it to YouTube, so I'm gonna do it again. So my book is already marked with pen, but we're just gonna do it again. So get your Unit 8 magazine, go to page 14, and we have a really fun story today called Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. And I'm sad that all my stuff is already marked, but we'll just have to do it because it is what it is. So we're gonna look for OR words in here, like O-A-R, O-R, and O-R-E. All right, and there aren't very many, spoiler alert. All right, let's read it out loud together. Read the words with me if you can. Here we go. Zoom, zoom, zoom is the title. Remember, when there's commas, you do a quick pause. All right, here we go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm going to the moon. And I noticed in my last video that we had some rhyming words, kind of, zoom and moon. So I circled both of those. Then we have a period, so we stop and take a breath. Let's keep going. If you want to take a trip, and if we have long words, we can sound them out. Climb, climb aboard. And in the last video, I already underlined this with my pen. So we have our or. Climb aboard my, let's sound it out, rocket ship. And I noticed that we have trip and ship that rhyme, so I circled those. So it's kind of a poem or a song where you have the rhyming words at the end. Let's keep going. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm going to the moon. How fun. And on the next page, let's do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! And look how we have commas there, so you do a quick pause, and then we have blast off in capital letters with an exclamation point. So we say that like we're super excited to blast off, which I am. Now, it already went through and underlined and circled everything in my last video, so go ahead and catch up. We can circle all the rhyming words, and then the only word I could find that had an or sound was aboard, which is kind of silly. That's the only one I could find. So let's read it one more time. Let's use inflection in our voice and make it sound so fun. All right, here we go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Let's start reading. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm going to the moon. And you know, if I was writing this, I would make that an exclamation point because I would be very excited about that. But that's my opinion. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm going to the moon. How perfect that we're doing this week and our read aloud, Jack and Annie are going to the moon. How cool. Let's do our countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! How awesome. If you want to later, you can go back and work on some of our writing. But right now, I want you to read it one more time out loud. Change your voice to make it sound interesting. You can read it to an adult in your house, or if you want, you can record it to your portfolio on Class Dojo so I can hear. But read it through one more time and make it sound so much fun. Blast off! And I'll see you guys for math.